If your bandsaw isn't running as smoothly as it used to, it might be time to replace that drive belt, or your drive belt shredded. It's a simple repair, so anyone can do it, so let's get to it. First, you'll want to gather your tools and supplies. You'll need a new bandsaw belt, a snap ring plier, and possibly a socket wrench or Allen set, depending on your bandsaw model. Unplug the power and open the bottom cover to get access to the belt and pulleys and drive wheel. Use the blade tensioner to remove tension from the bandsaw blade so you can remove it off the drive wheel. Using the snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring so you can remove the drive wheel. Carefully remove the drive wheel and then remove the old belt from the pulleys and discard it. Now is a good time to do any cleaning while you have the drive wheel removed. My belt tensioner's right here. Yours may end up having to adjust the motor. Usually there is a pivot screw and then another screw on the other side. You undo both of them a little bit and then you can move the motor back and forth to loosen your belt. For this particular model, you just need to crank this and it will loosen the belt tension. Take your belt and route it over the drive wheel pulley, making sure it's properly aligned. Slide your drive wheel back on the shaft. Now route the belt over the motor pulley. You may want to adjust the tension so that you can get it set correctly. Use the belt tensioner to apply appropriate amount of tension to the belt. If you have to adjust the motor, use the tools to tighten it the appropriate amount. You want the belt snug but not too tight. Once the belt is in place, use the snap ring plier to reattach the snap ring to the shaft. Close the bottom cover and plug in your bandsaw. Give it a test run and make sure the new belt is running smoothly and the blade is still tracking true. And that's it. I've successfully replaced the broken belt on my Craftsman Bandsaw. If you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.